'Cause yeah, 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 yeah.
What's up, pretty girl gang? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go over all the mistakes that I made in this video. So if you know you are a girly who cringes with bad makeup, then go ahead and exit now because you're not going to like this video. So for starters, let's just say even your favorite makeup artist has a bad makeup day. So don't let nobody fool you. Typically when I'm in a rush to do my makeup, I'm going to forget something. I'm human. It happens. Oh well. So I started off with cleansing my face with some micellar water. Yeah, look how dirty my face is. Uh-huh. And then I went in with my brow lift by e.l.f. If you've been on my channel before, then you know this is one of my favorites. Love this product. Y'all might be tired of hearing me say it, but this is one of my day-to-day routines, whether I wear makeup or do not wear makeup. I love the brow lift. Now I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Air Primer. Oh, and just for FYIs, I like to add those hydration pads under my eyes because from past experiences, my eyes will crack and crease and it just looks so terrible. So I like to have as much hydration as possible. Next, I'm going in with the Pore Benefits Primer. Now, this is one of my favorite products. You know, I have a lot of favorite products, but this is one of my favorite products. I love the smoothing and blurring effect that it has on my skin. Now, I will say, with all the mistakes I made in this video, I was very happy that I didn't forget my neck. Typically, I forget my neck, so hey, I was proud of me. Okay, now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Camo Foundation. All right, here we are with mistake number one. I used a facial mist to apply my foundation. Now, it's not necessarily a mistake, but I typically use setting spray to spray on my brushes and apply my foundation, but you know, this day I was feeling a little different. Then I would say the second mistake was I have stopped using beauty blenders for whatever reason, and I just focus on using my brushes. Why? I don't know. I guess because that's just what's right in front of me. But I have a drawer full of beauty blenders, and I feel like the beauty blenders add that smoothing effect. As you see on the side of my cheek, near my ear, like my jawbone, it looks streaky to me. I mean, it does to me. All right, now we're going in with the e.l.f. concealer to sculpt the brows out. All right, now we're going in with this Morphe palette. It has been discontinued, so I won't even advertise the name of it. I will say every time I get back into doing eyeshadows, colorful eyeshadows, I love a smoky look, girl. I love a smoky look. And so pink was the color that I chose to go with. So I'm taking that dark fuchsia color to smoke out the top of the black. Um, I would say mistake number three is I could have added a little bit more black eyeshadow. You see, it's kind of a little transparent. I mean, to me, it is. Now I'm using that light fuchsia to smoke out the dark fuchsia. You see what I'm saying? You got to create a gradient here, girl. You got to create a gradient. Which leads me to mistake number four. There was no gradient. Lord bless the mess because it first of all, the concealer is I don't know. I don't know what I can't put my finger on what I don't like, but I just know nothing was blended well when it came to the eyeshadow. This was a messy job. Now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer to highlight my cheeks, my chin, and of course my under eye. Let's go ahead and talk about mistake number 5. Girl, every time I highlight and conceal, I forget my lip. Why? I do not know. I do not know. And then I go throughout the day and I'm like, oh my God, I ain't got no concealer on my lip. That is a mistake I make pretty often. Now I'm going in with the Crankcase Chalk Dust to set my concealer and highlight. Mistake number 6, I always go ahead and apply my setting powder where I'm gonna contour. I think I need to start flipping that around. I need to contour first and then apply my setting powder. Now, is that really a mistake? Not necessarily. There's no certain order in, with makeup. You do what you want to do. But mistake number 7, girl, I used the Fenty foundation to contour. Now, let's be clear. I have definitely used like a creamy foundation as a contour. But this didn't work out too well because it's not giving contour at all. And I just kept going. And I'm looking pretty ashy. I'm looking pretty ashy. Yeah. Mistake number 8 is I didn't use a setting spray. I used that same facial mist that I used to apply my foundation, and I called it a day. So the point of this video is, girl, do you get in that mirror and try applying your makeup until you learn. Now, I know better. Did I do better? No, I did not. We were in a rush. And this is what happens when you're in a rush and you don't take the time to love on yourself. But no, I still wanted to love on myself. I did my face before I went to work, and everybody enjoys seeing me in my makeup element. Everybody loves to see me with my makeup on, and I just don't be having time like I used to, but we are trying to get back into it. So I will see y'all next video. Until next time, peace, love, and blessings.